Hello everyone, my name is Aaliyah and today I'm going to be showing you how I create my very first TPT store banner using Canva. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to design a TPT store banner in Canva, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, I'm going to figure out the dimensions. So I'm going to head over to the Teachers Pay Teacher website and check the recommended size for store banners. Here I can see that the recommended size for banners is 1200 by 320 pixels. So on this page, I noticed that it says you can also access a few templates for your banner here. So I'm going to click on the link and see what kind of templates they have. So I noticed that they are having these templates already in Canva, which is perfect. And it looks like they have a lot of different options already laid out. So if you don't want to start completely from scratch, I think this is a great option for you. Now that I have the dimensions, I'll head over to Canva. In Canva, I'll click custom size and then enter the dimensions 1200 by 320 pixels. Then I'll click create, which will open up a blank template. For this banner, I'm going to start off with a blank canvas. Canva does have pre-made designs for banners, and as we saw earlier, the TPT website actually has a link that will take you to Canva and give you some different options for templates for a banner. So if you're looking for a template to make it even quicker, I would really recommend going to the TPT website and using the templates that they have through Canva. But for myself in this video, I'm going to be starting from scratch so I can create something simple and personal for my store. Since pink is my favorite color, I'll start with a pink background. I want it to reflect my personality and make it visually appealing. So I'll adjust the pink until I find a shade that I like. And for the text, I'm keeping it simple with welcome to my store. So I'll adjust the font style, the size, and then I'll center it. My store is mostly going to have reading and math resources. So on the side, I'm going to add a speech bubble, and then inside of it, I'm going to add a small note that says, follow me for ELA and math resources. It looks a little plain, so I want to add some fun elements to give it that teacher vibe. So first, I'll start off with a pencil banner, and I want to place the banner that I use at the very top. So now I'm going to fill in some of this empty space. So I'm going to look for some books, and I typed in pink retro books to kind of keep with the pink theme. To make this design pop, I'm going to add some small elements like these paper clips that match perfectly. And then I'm going to add some stars to each side. And then I want to make sure that the stars match the same color of the books. So I'm going to change them to the same blue that is in the book. And then I'm going to change the speech bubble to the same blue as well. For a personal touch, I'm going to put my store name at the bottom, which is Miss Montgomery's Learning Corner. And that's it. My banner is complete. I love the way it turned out. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. or tag me when you create a banner of your own. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Bye.